This is a top-rated robotic vacuum cleaner called the Yeti M12 Pro Plus, and these are some of the top features that set it apart. Vacuum has a double comb structure V-shaped anti-static roller brush with an impressive 11,000 PA suction power and a dynamic extendable mop pad, meaning this powerful combo can clean up tough spills and messes easily no matter the surface. Thanks to TruEdge tech and 3D structure light sensors, the M12 can clean close to edges without missing space, whether they are corners, narrow spaces, or uneven surfaces. The very common problem with hair tangling and breaking vacuums is avoided in this machine, as with ZeroTangle tech, the hair doesn't stick to the mop or the comb, but rather the vacuum pulls the hair into the dustbin instead of getting wrapped around it. When the floors are all clean, it returns to the smallest all-in-one Omni station. This station has 158-degree hot water mop washing and hot air drying, leaving the mop clean and dry after each use, as well as automatic emptying of the trash from the machine to the station. We were really impressed with this machine.
The world's most advanced cleaning robot, and always clean mop. A mop that self-cleans 170 times per minute, resulting in an extensive UV-certified deep clean.